Think back to when you were a child. What did you dream of becoming when you grew up? Are you living that dream? Or did somebody steal it somewhere along the way? Most of us remember that moment when somebody suggested our idea was silly, would never happen, or even worse, that we weren't good enough. I'm Alison Delaney, founder of Little Bird and author of Little Chick Has Lunch on the Moon. I believe in making dreams come true, so that our little ones don't look back when they're grown and ask whatever happened to their dreams. You see, I didn't understand mathematics when I was at school, and I was told I wouldn't amount to anything. I was called lazy and even stupid. I began to feel worthless, lost my confidence, and even questioned my own ability. But my family believed in me, and we changed the style of teaching. My understanding grew, and I was neither lazy nor stupid. My dreams just needed to be understood. My mission is to deliver as many dreams workshops as possible, empowering thousands of children all over the world to hold on to their dreams. Individuals and organisations have already empowered over 2,000 children with Little Chick Has Lunch on the Moon in 18 countries across 4 continents. By coming together, we can all continue to empower future generations.